Hello, my name is Chris Rowe, and this is a video for lesson 27. So let's get started. First one, multiplying decimals, find the product. So all we're doing is just multiplying a decimal by 1,000, 100, or 10. And all we need to do is just move the decimal point to the right depending on the number of zeros. So let's look at number one. It's 89.1 times 1,000. And we see that there are 3 zeros on 1,000. So we're going to move the decimal point to the right 3 times. So if you move it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, it becomes 89,100. So that's the answer for number 1. Let's look at number 3. 5.61 times 1,000. So just like number 1, we're going to move the decimal point to the right 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Put a 0 here. Then we get 5,610. Let's look at number 4. This time, we're multiplying 71.9 by 100. We see that there are 2 zeros on 100. So instead of 3 times like 1,000, we're going to move the decimal point to the right only 2 times now. So 71.9, and we're going to move the decimal point to the right 2 times. So 1, 2, and put 0 here. We get 7,190 for number 4. Let's try number 7. We're multiplying 4.93 by 100. Just like number 4, we're going to move the decimal point to the right 2 times. So 4.93 and move it 2 times. We get 493 for our answer. Now let's try number 8. 10 only has 1 0. So we're going to move the decimal point to the right only once. So 4.49, move it to the right once. Then you get 44.9 for number 8. Okay. Converting fractions. We're going to convert these fractions into a mixed fraction. So 648 over 50. We're going to divide by 50. 50 doesn't fit into 6, so we're just going to skip the hundreds. 50 fits into 64 once, becomes 148. 50 fits into 148 2 times. There's 12, remainder 48. So what we're going to do, that's the whole number. So we're going to put 12 here, and that is a numerator. So 48 over 50. And we can simplify these by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 2. Then you get 12 and 24 over 25 for number 1. Let's try number 2. 57 over 5. Just like number 1, we're going to divide. 5 fits into 5 once. We're going to put a 1 there. And 5 fits into 7 once. And we get 2 as the remainder. So that's the whole number, and that's the numerator. So 11 and 2 over 5. That's our answer. Let's try number 5. 110 over 25. 25 doesn't fit into 1. 25 doesn't fit into 11. So we're going to skip the 100 and the tens. 25 fits into 110 4 times. So you get 4 as a quotient and 10 is a remainder. So 4 and 10 over 25. We can simplify this by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 5, which gives us 4 and 2 over 5 as our answer. Measurement. Convert the given measures to new units. So we're going to use these values to convert the given measures. So 7 miles to yards. We're going to look at here. 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. So if there are 7 miles, we're going to have to multiply 1,760 by 7. 0 times 7 is 0, 0. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 4, that's 53. 1 times 7 is 7 plus 5 is 12. So we get 12,320 yards when we convert it from 7 miles. Okay, number 2. We're going to change 1,760 yards to miles. We see that 1,760 yards is equal to 1 mile. So we're going to have to divide this time. 1,760 divided by 1,760 is just 1 because they're the same number. So we just get 1 here. 3 feet to yards. So we know that 1,760 yards is equal to 5,280 feet. And when we divide both of the values by 1,760, we get 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. And we're going to use this to solve number 3 since it's easier this way. So we're going to convert feet to yard. So we're going to have to divide by 3. So and 18 divided by 3 is just 6. And that's our answer, 6 yards. Rounding. Round to the underlying digit. So when the number right to the underlying number is greater than or equal to 5, we're going to round up. And when it's less than 5, we're going to round down. So let's get number 1. The underlying number is 4. And right to 4 is 5. And 5 is equal to 5. So we're going to round up and you get 8,050. Number 2. The underlying number is 8. To the right is 3. 3 is less than 5. So we're going to round down, which gives us 180,000. 3. The underlying number is 5. To the right is 0. So we're going to have to round down since it's less than 5. And it's just going to stay the same. 4. 2 is underlined. 9 is right to 2. Is greater than 5. So we're going to round up. And we get 3,000. 4 is underlined. To the right is 8. 8 is greater than 5. We're going to round up. 21,500. And that is it. Thanks for watching.